So, we're back on the big rig today. It's a bloody hot day today. Okay, so originally this was going to be all one video. I've been taking the cab off, but it took a whole lot longer. So I'm going to hopefully split it up into two parts. The first one being this, taking the engine out. The second one being taking the cab off, or else it'd be way too long. Also, I've seen a lot of comments and stuff that I'm not showing enough of the actual building and stuff like that. So in the past few videos, I've tried to sort of cut down, add a lot of B-roll and a bit more action. Hopefully this one's a bit better, so tell me how it goes. Nevertheless, we're getting our work done. So today, or this week, I've got to take this cab off of this car so that we can sort of get it ready, prep it up, get the 40 series body mounts on there, and we'll be good. If you didn't see the last video explaining this, it's a full 80 series we've got here. Got to take the cab off and get everything back so we just have our 80 series chassis left. First thing I got to do is take all the bar work off that I need. So the front bar, the side steps, the rear bar as well, because they're all attached to the actual chassis. With the bolts on these big steel bull bars, there's usually 3 underneath, 2 in the sides. A lot of the time with the 80 series chassis and older ones as well, the nuts will break off on the inside of the chassis, so you might have to cut a few of them or do that. I only had to cut 2 of these and 2 of them were missing, so it worked out well. Gonna have to pull this bull bar off. Okay, so I took those side steps off, and obviously the bull bar, all that stuff took a bit longer than I thought. I had to cut so many bolts, which I always do. All right, let's get it running first. So we've got our first lead out. So it is another sunny day, and it is Monday today. The forecast for this week is lots and lots of rain. Even though, you know, there's blue skies out right now, there's apparently lots and lots of rain. So I've changed the plan. I'm actually gonna get the car running and move it into the far bay here, up onto the hoist. We should be sweet from there. We'll see how much we can get done today. probably be the last time this whole car moves on its own. So let's take it apart. And if you haven't done this before, definitely go to Woolies, Coles, grab a pack of small Ziploc bags and a permanent marker and mark these. Yep, it's just started to rain, or just started to spit, just lightly. Going to do the coolant and I'll probably do the oil at the same time, just because I'm pretty much ready to take the radiator out. Also have a good look under here. Yeah, pretty good. Mud, lots of mud. It's now Tuesday. Yesterday I got a lot of good work done, obviously drained all the oils, got this radiator loose here ready to come out, but I stripped one of the bolts down on the water pump. So today I'll take all of this extra stuff around the outside out, pretty much everything until, so it's pretty much ready to pull it straight out. Alright, so we're at the point where we're pretty much ready to go. Things that I didn't really show doing because they're just sort of, you'll see them when you do them. Lots of wires along down here. You just got to pull out, obviously your fuel lines and everything. Basically just everything attached to the motor, pull it off. There's two bolts at the back for that hold the gearbox on, and they're pretty difficult to get to. which I'll get to. But now just got to hook it up. There's 2 points here on the top, one here, one on the other side, and they're good points to lift from. I'll roll it out, pull it out, and that'll be the first part done of getting the cab off the chassis. Oh. All right, so that's it there, taken out. Motor's here on the ground. I did that last night at about 8 o'clock was when I just finished that. It took me about a week to do from when that first video was. So that was the first part. Now on the second part, I'm gonna be taking this body off, which is the main purpose. So next time, I'm gonna be pulling this cab off, which hopefully will go a bit smoother. Yeah, I'll see you then.